Today I arrived at Kabaraye Pagoda Road Area, so I will explore in this area. Come follow me. Oh, beside me is a high school. Yeah, government high school. Oh my god, the sun is really hot. Oh well, this is a Yakai Multi shop. Yeah, maybe this is like kind of house shop. Oh my god, I can't even open my eyes. Oh, this is clinic, Nibang clinic. Yeah. Well, this is a plastic stand. Yeah. This is a stationery store. And this is a snack shop. But the car is covered the shop. Yeah, this is grocery store. Oh well, this is a barber shop. This is a fried rice shop, but now it closed. Let's go. Oh, this is mini Mac. And this is smoke accessory. Yeah. Yeah, this shop name is Petuna, and this is like a Thai restaurant. Yeah, most of the menu are Thai food. This is a medicine shop. Yeah, I reached the bus stop. Yeah, this is deep fried stand. Oh my god, they have a lot of different kinds of deep fry. Yeah, this is mini mat. Oh, this is from Gaba stove. This is electronic stove. Wait. Yeah, this is next shop. Oh, this is a fashion shop. Yeah. All of the clothes are made with cotton, so this is really nice for this season. Oh, this is Mohinga shop. Well, this is jewelry shop, and oh well, I found a shop, and this shop we can get in this shop like Chinese food, Thai salad, and drink. So let's have that. Họ phát đâu chỗ ya là? Họ phát đâu chỗ tập quê? Yeah, while I'm waiting my order, I would like to shout out Mr. Wo Wee, who is the advanced member of our EatSleepYangon channel. I really appreciate your support and help to our channel. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, now I got my order, and this is deep fried dumpling. Yeah, with chicken meat, and they give the two sauce. This one is baked sauce, and this one is normal sauce. Yeah. So let's taste this. It's still hot. Yeah, it might be crunchy. Sorry. Okay, let's taste this sauce. Look at this. The inside is full of meat, chicken meat, and the chicken meat is really soft, and the cover is really crunchy. It's so crunchy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I will eat with. Yeah. Let's try with baked sauce. Oh, chili. Yeah. It's more perfect with baked sauce. And okay, the price for this is only 3,000 just, so it's around $1. Yeah, this is so reasonable price because they have a lot of deep fried dumpling, and yeah, this is really big portion, so yeah, I can share with my family or my friends. So big. The Gaba is also tasty. I think this video is enough for today. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like my video, you will also love this one and this one too. So see you in next video. Bye bye guys.